we are, folks. Pollard Ford. You need a new Ford, just where you need to come. These guys make the magic happen. Which one is it gonna be? Is it gonna be that red Raptor?
Dang, I like that.
Is it gonna be one of these Super Duties? Maybe Expedition? Maybe F-150? Look at that beauty right there, that red one. That one's got a dealer's tag on it. That could be ours. Well, it's only fitting today is like it is today. Foggy, rainy, cold, dreary. Because Hammerheads, I got some bad news. You're not gonna like it, but it is what it is. Alright, what's up YouTube? What's up Hammerheads? Vanhammer HP! Craig coming at you. Alright, so long time since I brought a video to you guys, but you know, it's been winter, holidays, work, just everything so busy. Just not a lot that I could bring, and even if there was a little something, you know, really I just didn't have time, but have to make time for this video. But let's go into something here. Last time I left you off with motor mounts. And so I really hate that I didn't make a follow-up video to that. Just because, like I said, just time. Bottom line is we don't have motor mounts anymore. The motor mounts within that first day we started noticing that it caused issues with the car, and I don't know that it's the design itself. I don't know that BMR has anything to do with it. I don't know if my other mods had anything to do with it, or lack of mods. Maybe you need to, you know, if you're gonna go aftermarket motor mounts, maybe you need to go aftermarket motor mount bracket as well, or have some other mods in conjunction with that and not just do that. But to make a long story short, there is a little vibration that you can feel in the car with the motor mounts. That was to be expected. But within a day of having the motor mounts mounted on here, the engine started making a noise at around the top passenger side. To try to investigate that, we took all the mods off except for the motor mount. Or we took like the cold air intake, the throttle body spacer, took the catch can, took all that off. We put it back to the stock tune. It was still making the noise. So we had done a couple things back to back. We had done a fresh oil, let me see, we did our E85 with the headers, then we did an oil change, and then we did the motor mounts. We did that in like back to back in like a 4-day period. And so there was a lot of things that could have possibly caused that noise. So that's why we were trying to pin it down. Anyway, it was still making that noise. And so finally we took the motor mounts off. Noise went away. She ran great. She even ran great even with that. It just had that noise. But now she didn't make the noise. Anyway, so what happened was after we got that to go away, basically we just kept her like that. So if you can see here, I say kind of back to stock configuration, but not really. there's still a lot of aftermarket parts on the car. He just took the cold air intake, the throttle body spacer, and the catch can off. Still got headers, still got H pipe. Still has all the suspension mods on her that we did. She did go back. We did put her back on the stock tune. And let me tell you, I tell you this about the pipes headers. You know, all the putting the motor mounts on, taking them off, putting the stock back on. We did get rid of our contact, or our issue with the headers making contact on the passenger side. So that was one good thing that came out of that. But this thing still runs like a beast on the stock tune with those pipes headers. And she still sounds great. Why are we leaving her like this? Why didn't we go back? Well, if you've seen my other videos, I was kind of hinting towards it already. But Racy Lacey's getting traded in. And she's getting traded in today. So, anyway, sad moment. I tell you what, at 37, 38-year-olds, I had a lot of first times in Racy Lacey. Never have I modded a car in such a way. Never have I done some of the work that I've done to this car on my own. Never taken a car to the drag strip. So all you haters out there that say you can't drive, blah, blah, blah. Well, yeah, I realize that. But nobody could just take a car out to the drag strip and get it right off the bat. So I never done that stuff before. So that was a learning experience. But I had so much fun in this car. And she's badass. It's, God, man. I have a hard time believing that it's not going to be parked in my driveway this evening or after today. Because every time I walked out here and seen this car in the garage, I just thought to myself, man, that's a badass car sitting in my garage. Let's get one last cold start. I don't even know. You know, we never even made the modification video. I was so concentrated on trying to get rid of the issue we had with fitment on the passenger side. We never even made an exhaust clip video after the headers went on there. But I can tell you this, she still got a mean cold start on her, that's for sure. But my neighbors aren't, that's for sure. She'll still get it, boy, let me tell you. We're gonna take a minute here. I'll put together a little compilation of just over the last year, our little fun times with Racy Lacey. So take a moment, look back at those, and like always, drop the hammer. Peace. Okay, I think you're ready.
Okay. I didn't know you were gonna do that. Shit. Okay. Okay, that was good. That was good.
First time here, still trying to learn stuff. First time ever being
to a drag strip. So it's the coppers.
Woo. Ted, I think those are gonna look sweet.
Yeah, that is.
Ooh, boy. Tell me that doesn't look slick.
I think you probably gonna like that. Ooh, for real though? Let's do it, baby. Let's get ready. I'm already a little nervous to get the shakes again. But let's go get it, man. Let's get live.
Oh my gosh, like. Come on! Oh, I think we got him! That was so fucking close.
Alright, here we go.
Alright, ladies and gents, she is done.
From Big Worm Graphics on the 2019 Mustang GT 50 PP1. I think it looks freaking good.
Oh my god. Better put two hands on that wheel, kid. Woohoo! That's so good.
Those exhaust pipes.
Fourth gear. Oh my god.
And then we have to hammer these suckers out. YouTube is a lie, people. It is a lie. Install videos you see on YouTube are all a lie.
Happy 100!
Yeah, alright.
Battered but not broken. I may rage quit YouTube after this. Look on the face says it all. I think there's probably some blood up there. Knuckles beat up, face beat up. But headers are on.
with our first Hellcat race. Let's see what happens, man. I'm excited. Oh, get some Hellcat! Get some, baby! Woo! Just took out my first Hellcat. How you like that, baby? All right, here we go. Last drive.
Racy Lacy.
Last drive. How we feeling? Final thoughts?
A little sad,
Little
actually.
sad?
Yeah.
She's been a nice car, but
We're gonna take her out in style in track mode.
Of course.
In the wet and fog.
Yeah.
Piss off the neighbors one last time.
She had to tell them all bye.
So, we're on our way back to the house. Somebody forgot the cash for the down payment. So we made it about a mile. And I gotta turn around and go back. We'll get there. Here we are, folks. Pollard Ford. Need a new Ford is where you need to come. These guys make the magic happen. Bye-bye, baby girl. We gotta come back for our plates. We're taking our plates. We'll have to transfer them. Man. Do it.